So we understand that energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It just changes its form. So the kinetic energy the object had because of its motion got converted to potential energy. Okay, that's 400 into 400, that's 16,000. Divide by 2, 8,000. 4 into 10 is 40 into heights. Sorry, 4 into heights. 4 ones are. Oh, the mass is supposed to be 4.4. My mistake. I'll repeat this. Half into mass is 0.4. Velocity is how much? 20. 20 squared is how much? 400. 0.2 into 400. 0.2 into 400. 0.2 into 400. 80 is equal to 0.4 4 into h. So h is equal to, what is the maximum height reached by the object? Stone. 20 meters. The stone will reach, the maximum height the stone will reach. Back on. Back on. The maximum height the stone will reach is 18 meters. And why does that happen? Why? Why does that happen? It has to stop. It will go up, then it comes down because gravity is acting downward. Gravity is acting downward. Ayan, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Ayan, are you with me? Okay.
Yes.
Now. Okay. Is that right? So we understood that energy can neither be created nor destroyed. We just change its forms. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed, and we just change its forms. Is that clear? Is that clear? Okay. So copy this question right now. Do this. We are going to do numericals today of work energy power. जब तक हमारा concept 100% clear नहीं हो जाता. Ayan and Myra. Ayan and Myra.
Yes.
Mohammed. Yeah. Both
Yes,
of
sir.
you need to get your syllabus out and tell me what your syllabus is like, and I'll just cover it up so that you don't lag behind in your class. Then you have to take 4 hours out and come to the house, okay? Take 4 hours out and come to the house and sit and work. Myra, you will also do the same thing. And it goes for math and physics, both of you. If your math and physics class 9th is not strong, you will keep on, suffering continuously. So you need to improve your grade. Okay, both of you. Both of you need to work. And you need to be faster than the teacher. You need to do irrespective of how the teacher is. Okay. Okay, so you just need to take time out. Just maybe 3 hours in a week or 2 hours in a week, sit with me. Okay, both of you. If your friends are coming in as well, just tell them we'll set up a class at home. Okay? Cool.
Okay.
Next question. Alicia's not there. Alicia Hannah. Anika partner is not there as usual. Ania Saeed ko hila do. Ismail Bizdar hai. Ismail Bizdar physics में नहीं है. Physics नहीं दे रहा. जाजिल का ड्रॉप करवा दो physics से बेहतर. Mubeen Mubashir. He's there. Mubeen बाजवा है. आगे देखो नीचे जाओ, MU नीचे जाओ, देखो सीधा ऐसा। अबे राइट क्लिक करना है यार गांव से। थैंक्स। नहीं है, मूवी बाजवा नहीं है। So Mubeen Bajwa left the class. Okay, and Salim is not. Shan he is studying physics. Ahmad, he helps. He takes help from you in physics as well. Shan Zera nahi hai. Shamir. No, what's wrong with him? Ummehani. What? ये कहाँ है? वजीरुद्दीन। अनुषे कहाँ गया? अनुषे नहीं आई अभी तक। फिजा, फिजा is अनुषे there? उस्मान अर्शद आया हुआ है? हाँ? अमान मोहम्मद and Muhammad Ayan. Muhammad Ayan is a reference of probability. Okay? Okay, let's go. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Write down the next question. A boy of mass 60 kilograms. A boy of mass 60 kilograms. A boy of mass 60 kilograms runs up. A boy of mass 60 kilograms runs up 5 flights of stairs. Given that each flight is 6 meters high, find the potential energy gained by the boy. Find the potential energy gained by the boy. I repeat my question. A boy of mass. पिक अप क्या हो गया? हो गया सवाल? ये कॉपी लिखा है. A boy of mass 50 kilograms runs up 5 flights of stairs. 5 flights of stairs. Each flight is 5 meters. Find the potential energy gained by the boy. 6 meters. Each flight is 6 meters. Find the potential energy gained by the boy. Then the first part of the question is about potential energy. The second part of the question as well. You know what the second part of the question? No. Potential energy is mgh. How much is the mass?
60
60.
kg.
60.
60.
Put it outside. Put it up. Put it up. Okay. It's over. Full back. Okay. So mass potential energy gain is equal to mass into gravity into height. Mass is 60 kg. Gravity is 10. Yes or no? And the height.
30.
Flight 6 meters high. 6 into 5 flights. 30 meters. So the potential energy gained by the gentleman was
18,000 joules.
whatever. Potential energy. I'm teaching you, learn. Mass into gravity into height. Okay. Mass is 60 kg. Gravity is 10. And the height ran up by the gentleman And how much is the height? That he runs up 5 flights of stairs. Each flight is 6 meters. That's 30. 3 into
gravity
gravity is 10 meters per second square.
minus 10 नहीं होगी सर क्योंकि he is running upwards.
Oh, bhai, gained potential energy gained. Gain can be positive, negative. Can a gain be negative? He gained because he went against gravity, na? You know, this is the amount of energy this gentleman has gained. Amount of energy gained. Okay, when you go against gravity, you've done work against gravity, you have the ability to do what? What did I do? I lifted the marker up. Guess what it does? It goes down. It had energy, it had potential to do what? Now, it had potential to do what? Now, the second part of the question says, write it down. He ran up in 12 seconds. He ran up the stairs in. The time taken for him to run up the stairs was 12 seconds. Find the power the boy generated. Woo-hoo! Find the power the boy generated. Now, when I say power, he ran up in 12 seconds. Baba Sindhi mein dictate karu. He ran up in 12 seconds. Power is equal to work done over time. Now listen to me 100% everybody. Power is equal to work done over time. And what is work done? Work done is any energy gained or lost. Both. Power lost, power gained, energy gained. He gains energy means he must have used up his own energy. So power is equal to any kind of work done, can be kinetic energy, can be potential energy, whatever. In this case, what have we done? Potential energy gains. And this potential energy gain, I'm telling you, this is called gravitational potential energy. Now, what is gravitational potential energy and what is energy gain? Same thing. If you go against gravity, that means you have gained potential against potential because of gravity. Because gravity is there, it has the ability of falling. So the potential energy gains and the gravitational potential energy is the same thing. It means the same thing. Now this gentleman, how much energy did he gain? The work done is in joules and the time is in seconds and the units of power are, hey bhai, what lag raha hai? Watts. W-A-T-D-S. Watts. Okay? Okay? So, what's the guy's work done? How much did he work? 18,000 joules. 18,000 divided by, how much time did the kid take?
12 seconds.
6 2s are 6 3s are 3,000 divided by 2. Whoa! He's like a 1,500 watt generator. Woo! Guess what he did? Only difference is he doesn't produce electricity, but he does produce power. This means that this guy generated 1500 watts of energy. 1500 joules per second, my friend. Please understand this. Joules per second. He was spending 1500 joules per second because total number of joules he spent was 18,000. So her second he was spending, he was producing, his body, his muscle, his energy was producing. I can't hear you. So next time any fat person like me wants to lose energy, we run up the stairs. We run. That's a good way to lose energy. Do you get it? Do you get it? So this
Yes, sir.
guy ran up 30 meters in 12 seconds. Bhagay bhai, bhagay. Copy this right now. The khair de sharbat de pak de. Come on, copy this. Be a good kid. And I mean everybody. Bushra, Fizza, Halima, Fatma, Halim, Salim, Fahim, Kareem, Rahim, whoever's here. Everybody, copy this. Copy this. And remember one thing, once the lecture ends, you do the numericals, yeah. Possible, yeah. समझ में आ गया इस वक्त? Please stop speaking in my class. इसको ठंडा पानी फेंको सॉरी मेरी आप किसी को आके मेरी क्लास में पानी दूंगा उसके बाद और ये बाल कटवा के आओ भाई इतनी बड़ी जुल्फें बना दी औरत हो तुम. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
My computer is acting a little funny. It's acting like Ali Raza does. Okay, let's do another question. Change it. Yalla, change it. A 600 kilogram a 600 kilogram a 600 kilogram box is being pulled by a tractor. Okay? And the tractor moves the box 100 meters in in 30 seconds. Given that the mass of the tractor is 1000 kgs and the friction is 1 Newton per kg, how much energy, how much work was done against friction? Okay? Now put your pens down. This is not your cup of tea. It's not your cup of tea. This is my cup of tea. It's a practical situation. We have a tractor pulling a box, right? The mass of the tractor is 1000 kg. He says something in English here. He says, what's the friction? 1 Newton per. So this means there must be a force of friction here. Yes or no? It's called the FFT, the frictional force due to the tractor. There must be a friction force here as well. Friction force of the box. Remember, everybody, friction is an opposing force. Friction is an opposing force. Meaning what? If you're going to the right, friction will act to the left. If I'm going to the left, friction will act oppose me. Okay. So the tractor is moving at a speed of 2 meters per second. No. At a constant speed. At a constant speed. Now this question has got a lot of avenues. But what I want to teach you is he's pulling a crate, 600 kilogram crate, box, whatever. So if I say 1 Newton is the frictional force per kg. So for 600 kgs, what's the friction force? 600? Woohoo! Are you with me? 600 newtons is an opposing force. It's a friction force. Similarly, everybody knows the tractor's got its own friction. He's got its own mass. How much is the mass? 1000 kg. So there's a 1000 kg. 1 Newton per kg means 1000 Newton is also the friction force. Are you with me? And this box is 600 Newton. So the total frictional force is what? There are two friction forces. One with the box and one with the tractor. So how many friction forces do we have? Two friction forces. They both acting on the left side. Are you with me? So we have a total of 1600 Newton. Yes or no? Yes or no? Work done is equal to force into distance moved. Is that my formula? Yes or no? Did I give you that? I did. Work done is force into distance moved. He asked me in English, he said, Moby, what work was done against friction? So what's the total friction force? Friction force total कितना है? कितना है? So this means 16,000 newton slow down कर रहा है, इसे रोक रहा है ना? तो ट्रैक्टर कितना न्यूटन प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है? 1600 न्यूटन. बॉक्स में कोई टर्बो नहीं लगा हुआ, ट्रैक्टर ही खींच रहा है. So ट्रैक्टर टोटल प्लस फोर्स कितनी देगा राइट साइड वाली? लेफ्ट साइड वाली फोर्सेस टोटल कितनी है? लेफ्ट साइड वाली कितनी है? लेफ्ट साइड वाली कितनी है? 600 plus 1000. There's 1600 newtons on the left side. Yes or no? So this means if the tractor needs to move the box in itself, it needs to give a force of 1600 Newton. Yes or no? Do you understand? If the net force to the left is 1600, the net force to the right would also be 1600. If you want to move it. 1600 से कम लगाएगा तो चीज move. Or it is more how much? 1601. 1600. More than 1600. So the force must be 1600 multiplied by the distance. How much distance did he move? Woo! 100 meters. That's 16, 100, whatever that means. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 joules. This is the work done. 160,000 joules of energy. 100 कौन है? क्लास में थी? कितने बजे? तो अभी क्यों आ गए डॉक्टर लोग? 160,000 joules of energy. 160,000 joules. डॉक्टर नूर को क्यों ऐड कर रहे हो? 160,000 joules of energy were needed to move the box and that means to overcome friction. Do you understand? So next time I ask you, what's the amount of energy? What is the amount of energy? Add कर लो, add करना चाह रहे हैं, add करना चाह रहे हैं. What is the amount of energy? The amount of energy is 160,000 joules. And I'm putting it in English to you right now. You need to understand that the object, can you hear me? Can everybody hear me on the group?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, because
Can't hear you, but the board is really blurred.
what's bad? बेटा concept मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, sir. We can hear you.
Sir, we can hear you, but the board is not clear.
It's okay. Ignore the board. मेरी आवाज आ रही है? Every time you want to move something, every time you want to move something or you want to move a car, you need to overcome friction. So there is energy consumed, and that energy is called work done against friction. Are you with me? Work done against friction. Welcome, welcome. Good. Now, is it clear? Copy this diagram as much as you can. Find the work done against friction. And then आखिर में पूछो, what is the power generated by the tractor? How much power is generated by the tractor? Power is equal to something per second. Power is equal to something per joules per second. Joules मिल गया? Divided by the time. Divided by the time. Time कितने दिए? मुबीन ने यहाँ time कितना लिखा हुआ है? 30 seconds. Okay? It's taking the guy 30 seconds to move a distance of 100 meters. Move a distance of 100 meters. The reason I did this question is for you to select data.
Your voice is lagging.
select what you need. The chocolate खाने था. Guys, the next election is very weak. Please wait.
Sir, we cannot hear you.
Sir, your mic is mute.
My bad. Okay, can you hear me, everybody now?
Yes,
I'm
sir.
really
Yes,
getting
sir.
sick and
Yes.
tired of this system. Okay, now listen up, everyone. Okay, you can see me, right?
Yes, sir.
I do this. Now listen up, everybody. I'm not gonna be bullying you guys because you guys have chemistry right now. In the next, you have chemistry in the next 10, 15 minutes. What time is chemistry? 6:15. So I give you a half an hour break today. In the middle, I want to see you guys on Saturday, inshallah, at 12 o'clock. Saturday at 12 o'clock. I will see you guys online. Make sure your books are there. And then any extra help that you require in physics, you need to inbox me, okay? My number to be noted down is for help 0323467747. Okay? Any help that you require, you have to inbox me. Thank you very much. Okay?
Allah Hafiz.
I'm going to continue numericals. I'm going to continue with numericals on Saturday. I'm going to continue with numericals on Saturday. We'll have a 2-hour session on Saturday. Please be here on time. And on Saturday session, if you want to have a class with me, you will have to preferably come here. You'll enjoy it more. You'll have more fun being here. And unless, of course, you got some medical issues like sneezing and whatever, vomiting or something like that. So don't, other than that, please make sure if you can come in, please come in, wear your mask. Everyone's wearing a mask, right? Except me, because I'm far away. And I'm making you wear masks so that I stay protected. Okay, not you. Okay, so just kidding. So what you need to do is that you need to be coming in and try to get the glasses. Okay? It's a 2-hour session. Don't miss it. Get your calculators. This environment is way better than sitting at home and yawning away. Messaging friend. पता नहीं क्या बोल पड़ा रहा है. ठीक है. Bye bye. Can it be? Bye bye. You know for chemistry?
Goodbye,
Bye
sir.
guys.
Allah Hafiz.
Ayan,
Yes, sir.
मैं काम कर रहा हूँ ना. Can you wait? I don't understand you, brother. बंदा बात कर रहा है कुछ. Ayan, see you inshallah. Ayan, I see you
Okay, sir.
inshallah on Saturday. Okay, and anything else, please send me or inbox me your syllabus. Okay, bye.
Okay, sir.
Bye.